am going to teach you how to make a paper flower. Wait. Before starting the video, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon and set notifications to all to receive the latest updates on interesting videos. Without any time wasting, let's get started. Subscribe, like and share for more interesting videos like this. Drop a comment and follow me on Instagram.